In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Sunburst Granny Square. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crocheting easy. Today we're going to be recreating this project, the Sunburst Granny Square. So for this project, there are 4 different color changes. So you would need 4 different color yarns of your choice. You also need a crochet hook and a pair of scissors. The stitches that you need to know are chaining, single crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, half double crochet, the puff stitch, and how to do a cluster stitch. Let's get crocheting. Okay, let's begin with making our slip knot. Put our hook in, pull down, tail down. And the first thing that we're going to do is chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to connect our 5 chains together to create a circle. So you're going to go ahead and stick the hook into your first chain and then simply pull through. And now we have a little small circle. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to make 15 double crochets inside this circle. So to double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2. You now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through those 2. So now that was your first double crochet. Let's do another one together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull up. You have 3 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. 2 is left. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you're going to continue doing that, and I'm going to meet you once you have finished doing a total of 15 double crochets. I'll see you at the end. Okay, I'm going to do the last one with you. So I have a total of 14 I've done. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now for number 15. Yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, pull through. There are 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I'm going to slip stitch this into the first stitch. And I'm going to pull up. And there is our first round. Okay? So what we're going to do, taking your pair of scissors, actually going to cut that color off. Just going to make a little knot to secure it. I'm going to cut the tail off. And I'm going to go ahead and cut off my tail from the beginning. All right, so the next color I used was light raspberry. So now let's connect our next color to our project. So I'm going to go ahead and take our hook and I'm going to slide it up under one of our stitches. I'm going to take the hook and pull the yarn through. And now I'm just going to make a knot. Okay, now I'm going to take my hook, I'm going to insert it in, and I'm going to pull the yarn through so that now I have that starting loop onto my hook. Let's chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. So now the next stitch that we're going to be using is the puff stitch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook in that same space, and you're going to pull up on your crochet hook. You should have 1, 2, 3 loops onto your crochet hook. We need to get a total of 7. So let's continue on. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. Let's count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to go back in, yarn over, insert in, pull up. Now we should have a total of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, and then chain 1. Okay? Let's move on to our next space and do that again. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next space, pull up, pull all the way up. You have 3 loops onto your crochet hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into that space, pull up. You should have 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. We now should have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going to go yarn over one more time, and we're going to pull through all 7 and chain 1. So when you're doing the puff stitch, remember that you're going to have 7 loops onto your crochet hook before you pull through. Or remember that you insert your hook into that chain space 3 times. So let's go ahead and do one more by counting 3 times of inserting the hook in. Yarn over, insert in 1, pull up. Yarn over, insert 2, pull up. Yarn over, insert 3, pull up. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whichever way you want to remember how to do it, either knowing that it's 7 loops or remembering that you can go into that chain space 3 times in order to get the puff, do whatever is easiest for you to create this puff stitch. All right, let's finish it off. Yarn over, pull through, and chain 1. So we need to have a total of 16 puff stitches. Currently, we have 3. So let's go ahead and continue, and I'll meet you so that we can do that last puff together. All right, now let's do that last puff together. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull through, and pull up. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up. You should have 7 on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops and chain 1. Now we're going to go ahead and connect to the top. All right, connecting, and then you're going to pull up. There is our second round. So we've done 16. We have 16 of our yellow, and now we have 16 of our raspberry. Let's go ahead and cut our yarn. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a little knot. All right, let's add our purple to our project. Inserting the hook in, pull through the yarn, and simply tie on to our project. Okay, and now we're going to insert the hook in to pull through so that we can have 1 loop onto our project. So let's go ahead and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go on to creating the cluster stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into our project, pull up. there are 3 onto our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up, yarn over, go through 2. 3 is on your hook. Yarn over, insert into your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be on your hook. Pull through all 5, chain 2. 1, 2. Okay? Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into this next chain space. You have 3 onto your hook. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into that chain space. Yarn over, go through 2. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in, go through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to do it one more time because we need to have a total of 5 loops on our hook. So yarn over, insert again, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ways to remember is either remember that you need to have 5 loops onto your hook, or remember that you need to go in and do this method 4 times. And you're going to chain 2. Let's do that again. So yarn over, insert into the next space, pull up. You have 3 on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to go through 2. Okay? Now you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 on your hook. Yarn over, go through 2. We now have 3. Yarn over, go into your hook. This is the 3rd time that we're going through our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 2. We have a total of 4 loops on our crochet hook. Let's go in for the last time. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. Yarn over, go through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loops, and that was created after inserting our hook in 4 times. Yarn over, go through all 5 loops, chain 1, chain 2. Okay, so let's continue on with this cluster stitch, and I'll meet you to do the last one with you together. Let's go. Let's complete the last cluster together. So we're yarning over, insert your hook in, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops is on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, pull through all 5, chain 2. Okay, so because this is the last one, we're going to go ahead and slip stitch to the top. Go ahead and cut your yarn. And I'm going to go ahead and weave in my end a little bit. We now have our first round done, which is made up of double crochets. Our second round done, which is made up of the puff stitch. Our third round now is done. It was made up of the cluster stitch. Now here is where the magic begins, because now we're going to transform this circle to make it into a square. Let's go ahead and do that. So this part of the project is just so cool for me because it just amazes me how we started out with a circle and we're going to end with a square. And we're going to end with a square by using a couple of stitches. And these stitches are going to be different sizes, but those different sizes are going to work together to create the square. So let's tie on our light pink. Insert our hook. And we're going to tie it on. Insert our hook. and we're going to pull up. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into doing a triple crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2. Insert your hook in, pull up. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that again. Yarn over twice. 1, 2. Insert your hook in, pull up. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, no chaining in between. You're going to go straight to your next chain space and you're going to put 3 double crochets in there. So let's go. Yarn over, insert your hook in. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, now again, no chaining. We're going to go straight into our next chain space and we're going to put in 3 half double crochets. Let's go. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert hook, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to go back to doing 3 double crochets in the next space. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to do 3 triple crochets. So remember, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that again. 1, 2. Insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now if you see, I'm just going to stop right here. You can see now this is now a straight line is appearing. Isn't that amazing? Okay, let's continue on. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to put 3 triple crochets back into this space. Let's go. Yarn over twice, insert in. And this is creating our corner. I'm going to do it one more time. All right. Now let's go ahead and move on to our next space. So now this row is finished. And so now we're working on this side of the granny square. So now we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to move into the half double crochets 3 times. Let's go. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull up. You're going to go through all of 3 of those loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in, pull through. 3 are on the hook. Yarn over, go through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in. Last one. Okay? And so now we're moving on to the next chain space and we're going to do double crochet. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go into our triple crochet because we're already now at the next corner. And don't worry, I'm not leaving you on this part. We're going to do this together. All right. So yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, that's your triple crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in, yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. Again. Okay, so that's 3 triple crochets. Let's go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And in this same space, we're going to add 3 more triple crochets. Let's go. All right, let's do it again. Yarn over twice. Insert in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. Yarn over twice. Yarn over, go through 2, 2, 2. All right, yarn over, insert your hook in. 1. Okay, and I'm going to stop here just a quick second just to show you where we're at. All right, so now as you can see, we finished this side of our crochet granny square. We've moved up, and now we're on our second to last row. All right, now we're going to go into double crochets, 3 double crochets in the next space. All right, 3 half double crochets. 3 double crochets in the next space. And now we're at the corner. So now we're going to be doing the triple crochet. Yarn over twice and let's go. 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in that same space, we're going to work 3 more triple crochets. Yarn over twice. Go through 2, go through 2, go through 2. All right, I'm going to take a mini stop so that you can see. So now you see we have our straight edge on this side. This side is done. We've completed this side, and now we're about to finish our last side. Okay, so we're going to move on and we're going to do 3 double crochets. Now we're going to do 3 half double crochets in the next space. And let me take that out. The yarn did something weird. So just going to take it out and do it again. All right, and now to our next space where we're going to do 3 double crochets. All right, and now we are back to our starting triple crochets. And now we're going to put 3 triple crochets into that same chain space to finish off this granny square. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in. That's 1. Yarn over twice. 2. Yarn over twice. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now you can go ahead and slip stitch into the top of your project. All right. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and weave in our ends. You can use a yarn needle. I like using my hook. So I'm just going in and kind of going back and forth with my hook. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a little knot. And take your scissors and cut. And now the same thing for this tail. Weaving it in around. So I'm just going to go in on that top part. And I like to go a little bit one way and then a little bit the other. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a knot. Here is our Sunburst Granny Square. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.